everyone. Welcome to Easy Talk English channel. I'm John.
Hi, guys. I'm Emma. We're really happy you're here with us today.
Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Today, we're going to talk about something simple and fun.
Weekend activities.
Yes. What do people usually do on the weekend?
This is a great topic, especially for relaxing English practice.
Exactly. So, Emma, how's your morning going?
Pretty good. I woke up a bit late today, actually.
Oh, really? That sounds like a perfect weekend morning.
Yeah, I think so too. I didn't set an alarm. I just woke up naturally.
That's the best feeling. No stress, no rush.
Exactly. What about you? How was your morning?
I woke up early, like usual. I think my body clock doesn't change.
Even on weekends?
Yeah, even on weekends. I woke up at 7 a.m., made some coffee, and just sat by the window.
That sounds peaceful.
It was. I like quiet mornings. I can think, relax, and plan my day.
So let's talk about weekends. What do you usually do on Saturdays?
Good question. On Saturdays, I like to go outside.
Outside? Like where?
Maybe a park or sometimes a cafe. I enjoy fresh air.
That's nice. Do you go alone or with friends?
Both. Sometimes I go alone to relax. Other times I meet friends.
I like that balance, alone time and social time.
Yeah, it's important.
For me, Saturdays are usually my fun days.
Fun days. I like that.
Yeah, I might go shopping, watch a movie, or try a new restaurant.
Ooh, I love trying new food. What kind of food do you like?
I like everything, but I really enjoy Italian food.
Pasta?
Yes, pasta, pizza, all of it.
Now I'm hungry.
Sorry. What about you? Do you cook on weekends?
Sometimes I try to cook simple meals.
Like what?
Maybe eggs, rice, vegetables, nothing too fancy.
That's good. Cooking at home is healthy.
Yeah, and it saves money too.
Do you ever clean your house on weekends?
Yes, I have to.
Me too. Saturday afternoon is usually cleaning time.
It's not fun, but it feels good after.
Exactly. When everything is clean, I feel calm.
Same here. A clean space helps my mind feel clear.
What about Sunday? Is it different for you?
Yes, Sunday feels slower.
I agree. Sunday is more relaxed.
I usually stay at home more.
What do you do at home?
I watch movies, read a book, or sometimes take a nap.
A nap sounds amazing.
It really is.
I like Sundays too. I call it my reset day.
Reset day? What do you mean?
I prepare for the new week. I plan my schedule.
That's smart.
Yeah, I also prepare my clothes and sometimes cook food for the week.
Wow, you're very organized.
I try.
Do you ever feel sad on Sunday?
A little, yes.
Me too. Sometimes I think, oh no, Monday is coming.
Yes, that feeling is real.
But I try to think positive.
That's important.
Let's talk about hobbies. What hobbies do you enjoy on weekends?
I like painting.
Really? That's cool.
Yeah, I'm not very good, but I enjoy it.
That's what matters.
I also like listening to music while I paint.
That sounds relaxing.
What about you? Any hobbies?
I like playing guitar.
Oh, wow. Can you play well?
Not really, but I enjoy learning.
That's great. Music is a good way to relax.
Do you ever exercise on weekends?
Sometimes I go for a walk or do yoga.
I like walking too.
Where do you usually walk?
Around my neighborhood or in a park.
That's nice. Fresh air is important. Do you spend time with family on weekends?
Yes, I try to call my parents.
That's sweet.
Sometimes I visit them if I have time.
I like that. Family time is very important. I also spend time with my family. We sometimes have dinner together.
That sounds lovely.
Yeah, we talk, laugh, and share stories.
That's what weekends are about.
Let me ask you something. What is your perfect weekend?
My perfect weekend is simple.
Tell me.
Good food, good rest, and good company.
I love that answer.
What about you?
My perfect weekend is peaceful and happy.
That sounds perfect too. Do you like traveling on weekends?
Yes, but only short trips.
Like a one-day trip?
Exactly. Maybe a nearby town or a beach.
That sounds fun.
Traveling helps me feel refreshed.
I agree. A change of place is good for the mind.
But sometimes staying home is the best.
Yes, doing nothing can be very relaxing.
I love doing nothing sometimes.
So true.
So, guys, as you can see, weekends can be many things.
You can relax, have fun, spend time with people, or enjoy your hobbies.
There is no right or wrong way.
Just do what makes you happy.
Before we finish, let's ask our audience a question.
Good idea.
What do you like to do on weekends?
Do you relax at home, go out with friends, or try something new?
Tell us in the comments.
Yes, we would love to hear from you.
So, what's the takeaway today?
Weekends are important.
They help us rest, recharge, and enjoy life.
Even small activities can make you happy.
So, take your time, enjoy your weekend, and don't forget to relax.
And also, practice your English a little.
Yes, of course.
Thank you so much for watching Easy Talk English channel.
See you in the next video.
Bye.